Ekweghi and you're welcome back to today's drink to grow the booty. So today I'll be showing you how to get up to 40 grams of protein in your protein shake. That way you know you've almost gotten enough protein for the day and you just need to eat a little more to complete the protein requirements for the whole day, especially if you want your booty to grow. So you need protein. Let's talk about it. The minimum is 1 gram per kilogram of your body weight, or you can go up to 3 grams. The more you take, the better it's going to be. But at least if you're growing your both, you will need 1 gram per kilogram of your body weight. And yes guys, more on the nutrition, make sure you download my free nutrition guide which I created for you guys so you get result with your training and your booty gain. So go download it for free. The link is going to be in the description box. And yes, please don't ask me in the comment section, hey, will the protein shake automatically make your glute grow? No, this is going to work alongside your glute training. So if you take the protein shake and you do your glute workout, you're going to see results, because this is the thing, nutrient that your glute needs after a workout to repair itself, to regrow new cells and to rebuild muscle, then grow bigger muscle. So it goes with your exercise. A lot of the old protein shake videos, most of, I don't know, will ask me, okay, I just need to take it and then the glutes will grow. No, if you take it and go and sleep, your glutes won't grow. So you need to take it and do your butt workout, your bum workout. That's what it takes to get those booty growing. Except you want to do surgery. Of course, I know you don't want surgery, right? Because of the consequences and the side effects of those bullshit. So anyway, that's let's proceed to the protein shake video. If you're new here and you're joining me for the first time, my name is Abigail. I'm a Nigerian fitness trainer, and you can hit the subscribe button to get updated anytime I post new videos. Turn on the little bell as well so you don't miss out, and yes, share and like the videos. It's about me. Thanks for watching, and yes, let's move on. So guys, basically these are all what we need to prepare this protein shake. And you will need a blender, you will need strawberry. I have a cashew nut here, so this is about 3 grams of protein. It's a handful. And then you have avocado. I like avocado flavor actually in smoothie. It tastes very nice, so I'm going to add this. And this is also a fat option for the smoothie. I'm not adding any other fat to it, so we're using half this size, half a portion of it. I'm also using banana to add taste to this smoothie. It's totally optional. This is a carbohydrate for the smoothie and also a sweetener. So what you want to do is, if you don't like the banana, maybe you react to it, just replace it with honey or anything that could taste well with your smoothie. Then I have oatmeal. This is the main carbohydrate and fiber we have in this smoothie, and it also contains protein. I'm using about half cup of it, and it contains about 5.5 grams of protein. And here we have fresh milk. This is 3.5% fat. It's really high, but it doesn't matter. We need fat actually, and we're going to use 1 glass of it, and it contains about 3.5 grams of protein. And then the next one here is soya bean powder. I'm using 2 tablespoons of this, very full tablespoon, and that should be about half cup or close to 1 cup. So it should give us about 15 grams of protein. And next here is our eggs. So I'm using 3 eggs here, 2 full egg and 1 egg white. So with that we have about 15 grams of protein. If you add that up together, it should be giving you about 40 something or 46 or 45 or something, I don't know. So that's it. Let's get started with it. So first I'm going to add my berry. I'm going to add about, that's 5 pieces. Then I'll add my cashew nuts, my banana. I'm adding all because I want to remain some that I will take later in the day, maybe in the evening or so. This is going to be a large portion actually. And here you will need a knife for the avocado. I'm using just a half portion. This is what, look at inside. The inside is sticky. Yep, I'm going to just drag these out. use your spoon and get it out. Now I'm adding the egg. Just the egg whites. I don't need the yolk, so I'll add the remaining full egg. Trying to get all the egg white out. Yeah, that's it. So the next one is the full egg. So to have, this is complete egg. Here we're measuring 2 tablespoons of the oatmeal. It wasn't as full as I wanted, so I'm making it 3. Because I have the banana also in it, I decided not to add too much. The next one is the soya bean powder, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of this, which will give us about 15 grams of protein. This is about 1,000 naira in Nigeria. I think it's about $3. I don't know, outside of Nigeria, I don't know. Equivalent of $3, sorry. So we're adding 2 tablespoons here. See how full it is? I don't know, can you see this? It's very full. That's how I measure mine. Next on the list, it's fresh milk. So we're going to pour very handsome amounts, close to a cup, a glass on this. I use this about 4 times if I'm making protein shake. So what I'll just do is go blend this, cover it up and blend it to a smooth consistency. You need to leave it for a little longer, like 3 minutes, for it to blend even the cashew nuts you put inside. So that's it basically. Let me blend this, I'll be back. So it's all blended and this is what it looks like. It's very thick and delicious actually. So I'm going to reserve the remaining one. I told you guys I wanted other portions, so I'm going to reserve this for evening. This is my portion for this morning before I work out. So guys, how did you see the shake? Did you like it? Have you tried it yourself? If you did like it, don't forget to thumbs up and share with me your experience in the comment section. And yes, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.